In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reserve price on eBay. If you're eager to list your items for auction but want to ensure you receive a fair minimum price, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly set a reserve price on eBay, ensuring you get what you deserve for your valuable items. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Open your browser and type in eBay's website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password, and you'll be ready to go. Getting accustomed to navigating eBay's dashboard is the first step in mastering your listings. After successfully logging in, it's time to move to the next section. Head over to My eBay, and from the drop-down menu, navigate to Selling. This tab is your go-to place for managing your listings. Once there, click on Listing. Whether you're starting fresh or tweaking a current listing, this is where the magic happens. Now, you'll see the option to create a new listing or edit an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, click on Create a New Listing. For those already in progress, find your item and click Edit. It's important to craft a comprehensive and inviting listing to attract potential buyers. Next, scroll down to locate the pricing section. This is where you decide how you display and value your item. Pricing can sometimes seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, you can set competitive prices that attract bidders and still meet your needs. Within the pricing section, select the auction format. Unlike fixed pricing, auctions allow buyers to place competitive bids, which can often drive the final price up surprisingly. However, you may sometimes worry about your item selling under its worth, and that's where setting a reserve price is crucial. Under the reserve price option, enter the minimum amount you're willing to accept for your item. Consider the lowest price you'd be comfortable with. It should reflect the item's market value and your expectations. By setting a reserve price, you ensure that your item will not sell unless someone bids at least that amount, offering you peace of mind during the auction process. With the pricing set, continue setting up your listing. This involves adding a catchy title, a detailed description, and high-quality photos. These elements play a huge role in attracting bidders, so take your time to be thorough and creative. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to list your item. Click on List Item to publish your auction listing on eBay. After it's live, get ready to start watching the bids come in, all while knowing you've set a reserve price to protect your item's value. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting a reserve price on eBay. Happy selling!